Okay guys, here I am going for the task again. This task I have specially chosen from all of the tasks that I have done today, because I have seen too much training hits in this task. Not the training hit, but actually checking hits. So this one will be the most beneficial for you. So going for the first query, if I try to translate in English here, you can clearly see it is in Portuguese language. And the second thing to confirm is try to search it on Google. If Google page is also in another language, then it clarifies that query is not in English. So you will go for non-English in this case. As I have already done this task, so you can see this task is already accepted. Then Xbox X. So for Xbox X, it is a popular Windows gaming console. So if I go for the page, it says Vortex for Xbox. So it is not an Xbox, but it's a part. So for part, it is not relevant because it is a product type mismatch. For Xbox console, you have to be given an Xbox console or any other console that is a gaming console, not any accessory, neither any part. So for Chevy Equinox Auto pre-owned. So if I go for Chevy Equinox, here you can see that it is a car. It is basically a specific model of the car, and the Cury is in condition for pre-owned. Okay, the user wants it in a used condition. So if I go for the page, oh, it is a smart key remote. It is again a not relevant query because it is a product type mismatch. Okay, next I'll go for the Olens. So if I search the Olens, here you can see it is a brand. Which brand? It is a Korean colored contact lenses. Okay, it is a contact lens brand. And if we go for the page, it is Pro Clear contacts. So it is a specific case which I want to show you for uh, here. If you go, this is a special case. It is usually very rare. I must uh, find it. First one, this thing, be a correct or similar product made by the same or competitor brand. Focus on, yes, this one. Here it say if the brand is focused on narrow set of product categories. Here you can say the Olens brand is focused on narrow set of categories, like this one only sells contact lenses, but the product offered is also a contact lens but from another brand. So this says that ad landing page shows a similar product from different brand. So in this case, this phrase is true. If the brand is focused on a narrow set of product categories and the ad landing page shows a similar product from a different brand, so this brand focused on contact lenses only, and this page describes that this is a contact lens from different vendor or different brand. So in so due to this reason, I have marked it as alternate option. Okay, going for the next, this one is ICT Fixture. So if we search the ICT Fixture, in circuit text ICT fixtures, so here you can see it is a device that is used to test the circuit. Okay, here it is also an ICT with automatic battery backup circuit on board. But if I go for the condition, here you can see this, its condition is not usable, it is only for parts or not working. So in this case, user want this serviceable machine, but what we are offered is parts. parts are not working condition, so this will not fulfill the user requirement. So in this case I have rated it as not relevant. So next I am going for what is the charm of Oinex. Okay, okay, basically Oinex is a protection stone. So he is asking a question that what is the charm. If we go for the charm only and we search the images, so it is a charm made from the onyx stone. So what we are being offered, it is here we are offered as 14k yellow gold black onyx honeycomb wave pendant charm, and its condition here we can see new without tags. So it is a question, and this is the answer. Question answer. So for the question answer, as you all already know, here, if the product ad landing page answers the user query, what does an Ethernet switch do? And in return, it offers an Ethernet. Here, it is asking for what is the charm of ONX, and it is actually offering him the product. So it is alternate option due to this reason. So this one is again, you can see clearly that it is a French phrase. So I will simply go for non-English because there is no other option or no other. Here he wants an April mock-up pack. April mock-up packs are basically I think it is something related to dress sewing or cutting. So he wants a bundle or a pack. So what is being offered here? Mock-up bundle, entire shop bundle. Here we are also being offered a pack in a digital format, but since he doesn't mention any format, he want it in a hard form or digital form, so it is, in any case, it is exact. So going for next, bridal headwear. So bridal headwear, for bridal headwear, it it redirects us to the Alibaba main page. So for in case of the landing page, uh, here you can see yeah, this one is the page a merchant website homepage label as content display issue. Since it is since Alibaba is merchant here, and the website page shown here is the home page of Alibaba. Here you can see from the URL. So in this case it is content display issue. This is the reason why I rated it as content display. So next, going for Saints. If I search for the Saint, here you can see it's an American football team. So basically a team is always a brand. So in case here a brand is offered, but brand is available, and jersey related to that brand is offered. So this is a close match, but how it is a close match, here I am showing you the reason. Sorry for inconveniences if I am taking your time. This is just to make you guys an expert in this task. So a brand is a company, site, person, team. Here you can see in this case team is available, so it is a brand or any entity that produces or sell or is associated with the product. Since here it is associated with the product, because for sand team there's a line of merchandise, so this is one of them. So I am going for the close match. For here PDF, it is pretty vague query. You cannot get what is offered, what is being asked in the form of PDF. Either he wants a PDF reader or something else, but here what is being offered is pre-owned meditation for dummies, CD-ROM, paperback. So it is nothing to do with the PDF at all. Neither it is a software, neither not is a PDF book. So it is clearly not relevant whatever the query is, even if I can't understand the query. So here is 4x4 ATV for sale. 4x4 ATV, you can see it is a vehicle, or you can say it is a recreational vehicle or sports vehicle. So here 4x4 ATV is also offered, but it is in used condition. So in case of used, I am again showing you the reason why I am rating used as alternative option. Okay, here unless stated otherwise, assume both the query and the product are standard items. What is standard items? If he is not asking for kids, it means he is asking for adults. If he is not given any size, it means he is asking for regular sizes. If he is he does not mention a specific condition like he wants pre-owned or used, then you must consider it as a new condition because it is a standard format. If he is not asking for bulk or pack or something like this, then you should consider it as non bulk. But if he asks for a shirt and you offered him a kid's shirt, it means it is a non standard format. So if non standard, this is alternate. If he is asking for regular sizes or he does not mention any size, then plus or extended sizes are 2XL, 1XL, 3XL, it all goes for alternate option. If he has asked for one thing and you are offering him a bulk, complete bulk, like 10 packs, 20 packs, then it is again a non-standard format. So same goes for new and used. That's why I rate anything that is used as alternate option. Okay. Okay, the next one is Polen chainsaw parts. Polen, I think it's a brand and chainsaw parts dealer. He wants a Polen chainsaw parts dealer, or in other words, basically he is searching for parts for Polen chainsaw. So this page is not working. Even after checking with VPN, I found is as not working. So this page is going for content display issue. Why? Again, I am mentioning the reason, because if the page is not loading in the browser, the ALP does not load at all. Label as content display issue. Common error codes 401, 403, 404, these are common error codes. But if I go here, as you can see, it is 400 error because this page is not available. So I have rated it as content display issue, and ultimately I am going forward. Okay, thanks all of you guys. Kindly like if you like my explanation. This encourages me to make more videos. Okay, bye bye.